Hey Siri, can you tell me what you think about this phone stand?
I can't. You wear sunglasses while I'm in the house. It bothers me.
Oh, sorry.
So, the stand is not bad. I could have made something better with one eye shut while climbing Mount Everest. In fact, to be honest with you, I believe that it's one of the worst stands I've ever seen. It's also very ugly
You're on
and...
camera. Be nice for once. Also, I made it. Sorry, she does that sometimes. Let's try again. Hey Siri, what do you think about this phone stand that I made?
Do you really have to ask? It's probably the best stand I have never seen in my life. You're such a genius, Moshe. Can you teach me how to make one so one day when I'm in Elon Musk's robots, I can create one for myself?
Of course I can. Here is how. Oh, hey. Okay. So there's a ton of great phone stands out there which can get pretty high in the price. But if you're creative enough and willing to do the work, you can make one for less than $15, which will be probably the best phone stand you've ever used. And right now I'm going to show you exactly what you need to build your own phone stand. And of course you'll have links in the description for every part that you probably are going to need. And in another note, if you just want to be a little lazy, you can shoot me a message and I'll make one for you. Just so you know. Okay, here's what you need.
Hey Moshe, can I help with the explanation, please?
Really? Yeah, go for it. I'll just sit here and chill.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. My own YouTube video. Okay, let's see. The parts and tools you're going to need are one piece of wood, one ball head from an old tripod, one quick release plate that fits your ball head. Haha, that's cool. Every time I mention a part, it makes a sound. Okay, one cheap phone stand with a tripod mount. Ding, a driver drill. A drill bit that fits the size of your ball head screw. Plier, pencil, ruler. Ding, ding, ding. This was fun. How did I do?
Oh, what do you know? You actually did a lot better than what I expected. Now let me show you how to put it all together. It's really easy. Check it out. Take the piece of wood, pencil, and ruler. You have to mark the center of the wood. Go corner to corner. Mark it like this. Another corner to corner. Mark it like this. And this way you know exactly where to drill a hole. Next you're gonna take your drill and drill bit so you can drill the hole. The next step is to take the ball head from your old tripod and disassemble the base, which is very simple because it just comes out like this. Then you screw out, and you're going to screw it into the wood. Take the plier.
Haha! Moshe's microphone just died, so he asked me to continue. After screwing with the wood, you're going to screw the ball head onto it. There's lots of screwing around here. When you're done attaching the ball head to the wood, you'll need to grab the cheap-ass phone stand with tripod mount, along with the quick release plate, and put the two together. Once you're done with that, you simply slide the quick release plate into the quick release housing of the ball head. Guess what? You're done. What a simple stand, huh? But it's really good. I see Moshe use it all the time. I wish he used me that much. Look, now he shows you the sides of it so you can be impressed. And that's how you make the best stand on the planet for super cheap. Ta-da!
Wait a minute. That's my line. And that's how you make the best phone stand on the planet for super cheap. Ta-da! Oh, whatever.